Chestnut knob. Here we are. We're doing a zero here today, overlooking Burkes Garden, a natural geological formation. I guess it's a gigantic limestone sinkhole. It's only 2 roads leading in and out of it. Interesting. This used to be the fire warden's cabin, but they converted it to an AT shelter. Boy, when the rain came in, let me tell you, we were happy to be in this thing over here. AT's pretty overgrown over here, so when the grass gets wet and you're walking through it, you're getting soaked, even if it's not raining. But so here's the shelter, and we're kind of all spread out over here. See this wonderful fireplace, a mouse, numerous dumb stuffs written on the walls, and I'll be staying here. Yeah, expecting more rain to come in, so, and we already hear the thunder. Got a little brief reprieve. Now they say there's no water up here, but of course after rain like that, there was plenty of water. Oh yeah, real close too. So we got a privy down over here. We were informed at one point the picnic table used to be on the inside of the shelter. Beartown Wilderness, Jefferson National Forest. Plenty of burdock around. And, well, just relaxing up here. Had the cinnamon apple crisp. They say you fill it with water to the number 4 line. It kind of gives you an idea how much is really in here. Alright. This is a whole lot of package for a very little amount of food. $8. It was tasty. I ate it, but oh boy. Then earlier on there was this we got this from the schoolhouse. One of the candy bars that was in the kits. It said hemp yeah. Ugh. I don't know what's up with this thing, but it was so damn stale. It is so damn nasty. I had to get rid of it. So that's a hemp no. Ugh. Came out and almost practically vomited out here. It's kind of sad. Anyways, that's the story. Chestnut knob. You gotta be stuck in the rain. This is the place.